Good afternoon and welcome to Northern Maine Productions. We are in the workshop. We're working on the Snapper 30081 project. As you can see, I've been busy for the last couple afternoons. I am painting the first pieces of this machine to get ready to reassemble it. I did this stuff here yesterday afternoon, and I just kind of loosely assembled it here and just let it sit here overnight to dry in good shape. It was beyond the tacky stage when I did all this, so it looks good. This all came out really good compared to what it was. Today I'm working on a few other little pieces here. I got a shift and linkage up here I'm working on, and there is the yoke. That's the yoke that I fixed. That was the one that I showed in the previous video. It had some wear on it. I built it all up across here. That probably will never wear out again now. That's all built up with hard weld. I fixed this piece in there where that pivots in the frame. This should all be good now. Next big project here is going to be clearing the bench off, which needs to be done really bad because it's a disaster now. And we're going to get this piece up on there and start getting this ready. Hopefully before the end of this week I can have that mostly reassembled. I won't be putting the engine on it for this year, but I'm going to put all the pieces back in it, put the fenders on it, and get as much of it back together as I can. Because my memory ain't as good as it used to be, and if I don't put this back together fairly soon, I'm going to forget how it goes, and it's going to be a real nightmare how to try to put it back together. The rest of it's pretty self-explanatory, all that stuff, that's pretty easy. But this thing back here, this rear main case of this machine is pretty complex, and it's not too hard to get lost. So I'm going to get this back together before I forget how it goes. So, well, I don't have too much more here to bring right now. I know this workshop sure needs to be cleaned out. Holy cow, they got pieces and parts strewn everywhere here. That's all part of it. But, well, anyways, I'm sure I'll be back again. We'll have another update here eventually. Maybe the next time I come on here, I'll have this rear case all back together. It's hard to tell. But anyways, with that, I'm out, I guess. Have a good one. Bye-bye.